a 1972 Chevy C10. As you guys can see, it's really clean, just really quiet. We're gonna fix that for him. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, right at 94. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna change it up for him. Guys, 1972 custom C10. Look at that. Sexy deep blue, sky blue. What's another blue? What we can say? Smurf blue. Yeah! I like that. Smurf blue. Is it Smurfette or Smurf? It's a real truck, so it's a Smurf. All right, I don't blame him. Look at this thing. She is mint. Suspension and all, barely any rust, surface only. Frame is in really good shape, door panels, everything. Bumper, it's all surface rust, barely any. Front grille original, it's nice. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did. So we didn't touch the bolts up there. So we did downpipes on each side, 2 1/4, all the way back. On this side, driver's side, all the way. Then we had to do custom bends over, put the Flowmaster Super 44s on it. One right there, give it that deepness. Here's the part number on it, 942545. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back straight. He didn't want any tips, he wanted the classic look. And then we go over on the passenger side. It's 2 1/4 also, all the way back over the, I don't know what you call those. The midsection. And then we put the other Flowmaster right in the middle between the two, between the drive shaft. They look really good. They fit it perfectly. Added more hangers and hardware on it. And then there's the tailpipe out the back on this side also, as you guys can see. And the part number on it again is 942545. There'll be a link in the description for it. There they are. Came out really clean, really nice. There's all the rusted pipe that was on it that we took off. It was single and it widened to a single right here. That's how they had it before. As you guys can see there where it goes in, out the back, 2 1/2, and then 2-inch pipe out the back. We took that out and replaced it. Now it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. You guys have walked down. As you guys can see, the rust, it's all surface rust. Really nice. There it is. Boom. Check out this C10, guys. The interior on it, they're reupholstered. I love the little stitching in it like that. That's cool. It's clean. I wouldn't mind having this truck. Stick shift too. Very, very nice. Just a little weekender. Cool truck. Even like you guys can see the back. West Virginia.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home, country road.
Take me home to West Virginia. Keep going. Come on. It's just the heat of the moment. Wow. That's a good sounding truck now. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Classic Flowmaster sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 101. 106. Wow, they hit up even higher. Yeah, 108. Crazy. It is a C10 long bed, which is cool too. I'd slam it probably, or raise it, I don't know. Would you slam it or raise it? Slam it. 350 in it. We'll look in a second. You guys don't know we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Just holler at us and we'll get you hooked up. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, it's got your guys' basic 350 in it. Nothing fancy. He's still working on it. Once it gets all cleaned up, it'll look nice. But still, no rust, which is the key. It's a 1972 Chevy C10. As you guys can see, it's really clean, just really quiet. We're gonna fix that for him. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, right at 94. Wow. That's a good sounding truck now. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Classic Flowmaster sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 101. 106. Wow, they hit up even higher. Yeah, 108. Crazy.
Nice.
That's good.
Hell yeah. Enjoy it, brother.